How can I find all the accounts linked to a specific phone number?
Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we'll delve into the complex world of the internet to find out how to identify all the accounts linked to a specific phone number. We're going to break it down step by step, making it as simple as possible for you.
Why is it necessary?
To begin with, why might you need to do this? You might want to ensure your personal information isn't being misused online, or you may need to clean up old, unused accounts for security reasons. Whatever your motive, understanding your digital footprint is essential in our increasingly connected world.
Search engine investigation.
The first step is to use search engines. Simply put your phone number in quotes and hit enter. This method is known as a reverse phone lookup. It can lead you to websites or platforms where your phone number might have been used publicly. However, do keep in mind that it may not yield results for accounts where your number is kept private.
Social media platforms.
Social media platforms are often linked with phone numbers. Go to each popular platform, navigate to the "Forgot Password" or "Trouble Logging In" section, and input your phone number. It will typically inform you if there's an account associated with that number. Please remember, this should only be done on your own personal accounts, as misusing this feature can infringe upon privacy rules and terms of service.
Using account recovery options.
Similarly, you can use the account recovery options on various websites, apps, or services. These options often require you to input a phone number, and if an account is associated with it, you'll be informed. Again, this method should only be used responsibly and with accounts that you own.
Phone number validation services.
Last but not least, you can utilize phone number validation services. These services help verify and validate phone numbers and their associated data. They can sometimes help determine if a number has been used for account setup on their partnered platforms. However, use these with caution as it involves sharing your number with a third-party service. Always ensure you're using a reliable and trustworthy service. Finding all the accounts linked to a specific phone number can be a daunting task, but by following these steps, you can gain a clearer understanding of your digital footprint. Please remember to respect privacy rules and only use these methods for phone numbers you personally own. Hopefully, you found this video tutorial helpful. As always, stay safe online.